A for apple. Apple means same. B for ball. Ball means cane. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. Grapes means angoor. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I for ice cream. Ice cream means baraf. J for juice. Juice means juice. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for owl. Owl means उल्लू. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for कोयल. कोयल means कोयल. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for ship. Ship means जहाज. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.